Tapos, lagay mo, Lion of Judah versus
Ramirez. Pass to number 15. Okay, rebound by Ames. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Salvante. Sipon. Sipon. Salvante.
Gago, ang hirap.
Sipon. Lorenzo. Three. Nugget, rebound by Lorenzo. 4-2 in favor of Lion of Judah. Canonoy, pass to Ra. Ay to Trila. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Blue Knots. Welcome to ating Big Five. Association with you, ballers in Season 1 of Powers League Game 1. South Blue Knights versus Lion of Judah. Angeles taking 3. Logan, rebound by Delvan. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Lion of Judah. First quarter to first half po, mandatory sub, then Ramirez. Support, Ramirez. Delval, pass to Reyes. Hayes move. Pass to Damasco. 14 seconds to shoot to Delval. Short jumper. Two points. Ryan. Delval. 6-4. In favor of Lion of Judah. Ramirez. Pass to number 15. Traveling violation. Ball goes to Blue Knights. Reyes, pass to Joe. Pass to Reyes. Short jumper. No good, rebound by. Ball goes to Lion of Judah. Lorenzo to points. AJ Lorenzo. Pass to Salvante. Back to Reyes. Pass to Angeles. Short jumper. Nugget. Rebound by Canonoy pass to Trina. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Blue Knights. Welcome sa ating Big Five mga pros and shoutout sa ating mga sponsors. Number 1 is Flip Crew. Next is Jaime Monte by Pastor Arsen Aguilar. Salvante. 2 points, P-Boy, Salvante. 6 minutes exactly. Yung mga bagong dating ko, lapit dito. Number 15 is Tilen, no good? Di ba ba? Pow by jersey number 31. Ryan Delval, first personal foul. First shot is no good. Second shot. Good. 1 out of 2 by number 15. Pass to Damasco. To Reyes. Reyes taking 3. No good. Rebound by Ramirez. Ramirez pass to number 15 to number 15. 11-6 in favor of Lion of Judah. Steal by number 15. Pass to number 15. To boys, number 15. Standby for James Mark. Standby. Damasco. 13 seconds to shoot. Pass to Reyes. Step up 3. James Mark. Page 5. Nagpasser.
Hindi lang talaga rinig.
Page 5 na po. Page 5. Pasok po, pasok. Pasok po, pasok. Four minutes and 58 seconds. 13-9 in favor of Lion of Judah. Pass to Vasquez. Foul jersey number 16. First personal foul, second team foul, Blue Knights. Shooting 2, Vasquez. First shot is good. Second shot, makukuha kaya. Sino rin?
Number 4.
Warning for delay the game. Lahat daw po. Takin.
Nagdadalaga ah.
Last free throw by Vasquez. 2 by Vasquez. Jose. Joe. Pass to Reyes. 83. No good. Ball goes to Lion of Judah. 15-9. Enriquez. Pass to Serrano. Pass to Agapito. Is still by Reyes. Reyes pushing through. Pass to Punao. To boys. Punao. To Reliver. Pass to Agapito to boys. To Reyes. 17-11, 6-point lead. 3 minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Punao. Short cover. Rebound by Vasquez. To Enriquez. Pass to Belgrano. Short cover to Belgrano. Rebound by Serrano. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Cruz. To Reyes. Ano mo dali? Short cover. Rebound by Angeles. To boys. Angeles. Enriquez. Pass to Vasquez. Forward move to boys. Vasquez. 19-13. 6-point lead again. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Isaac Green, rebound by Punao. Province again. Angeles. Rebound by Serrano. Steal by Cruz. Walks over move. Cruz. Pass to Angeles. Rebound by. Pass to Enriquez. Now it's River. To boys. Lapit po pagka-timeout.
Timeout kaya Romo.
Reserve timeout. Doggy. To River. Reserve timeout. Blue Knights. Nandito mo yung tubig ha. Blue Kings. Nasa pangkarin po. Serrano.